Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4 featured in diamond black crystal pearl clear coat exterior with a black suede interior. This example is offered by Lou Fusz Jeep in St. Louis, Missouri with a sticker price of $45,975. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Alan. His contact information is below. Here we can see the gloss black Jeep badging on the rear of the vehicle. We can also see the single exhaust tip. As we move around down the side of the vehicle, you also can see the black roof rails, power side mirrors. We got a great look at the 20-inch by 8-inch gloss black aluminum wheels wrapped with 265/50 R20 all-season tires. Here we got a wonderful look at the black bezel on the headlights. They are LED headlights, LED fog lights. As we dive into the interior of the vehicle, we have keyless entry and go, rear view day-night mirror, ready alert braking, electronic stability control, hill start access. There you can see the power moonroof, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, integrated voice command with Bluetooth. Here we will get a great look at the 9-speaker amplified speakers with subwoofer, 560 watt amplifier, active noise control, AC with dual zone automatic climate control, leather wrapped steering wheel. It is a heated steering wheel. Here we got a great shot of the dash from door to door. As we get in close on the navigation, we'll show more of that in a moment. Leather wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls. We tilt back and we show the power sunroof. So you have power windows, power side mirrors, power driver's seat. There you can see the suede insert on the driver and passenger seat. The center stack, we'll show that in detail here in a moment. It is a tilt telescoping steering wheel, automatic headlights. Really love the trim here, that polished trim. There you can see the power windows, automatic headlights. Great look from the driver's perspective. Fingertip controls. Again, leather wrapped steering wheel, heated steering wheel. Alpine stereo with Uconnect. So this vehicle has a Sirius XM Traffic Plus 5-year subscription, as well as a Sirius XM Travel Link 5-year subscription. 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Here we see additional power ports for the driver and the passenger. I believe I mentioned 506 watt amplifier, stereo, active noise control system, Uconnect 4 navigation with an 8.4-inch display screen, 115 volt auxiliary power outlet. There you can see the double-decker center console. As we open the glove box and see the owner's manuals. Power liftgate, remote start, universal garage door opener, premium light group, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Here we can look at the stereo as well as the backup camera with dynamic grid lines. And here you can see the Parksense push button start, push button stop. Again, your fingertip controls for your steering wheel. As far as the cargo area is concerned, it has a power liftgate, 36.3 cubic feet of storage space in the back of the vehicle. And with the rear seats folded down, we have 68.3 cubic feet of storage area, additional power port, carpeted floor mats. And then we move those out of the way, open up the storage area as well as the spare tire. And we push the button for the power lift gate as we close the lift gate. Such a beautiful vehicle. There you can see the rear wiper. As far as an engine is concerned, we have a 3.6 liter V6, 24 valve, producing 293 horsepower. Made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you 18 city and 25 highway. Thanks again for watching. We appreciate it. Go ahead and like and share, and have a great day. Thank you.